Are you looking for the best tankless water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best tankless water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Stiebel Eltron Whole House Electric Tankless Water Heater. As one of the most energy-saving tankless water heaters on our list, the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus won't ever use more electricity than you need it to, and since it has a minimum heating setting of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't allow the water to surprisingly scald you when you're quickly washing your hands. The unit is only 14.5 inches tall, and very quiet, with a flow rate of up to 7.5 GPM and 36,000 watts. It has a clever technology that slightly reduces the water flow when hot water is in high usage so that you won't be shocked by the cold water sandwich while it's trying to keep up with the hot water demand. The temperature can be set with the intuitive buttons and control knob, and there's also a temperature memory setting. Its automatic modulation helps save you even more energy, and the digital display will always let you know the temperature. An advanced flow control maintains a consistent temperature output, and there's no venting required to install. This is another indoor unit that has a simple, minimal design, and though it's compact enough to be hidden away, it won't be unsightly if visible. You'll want to call in an electrician to install this unit as it requires 300 amps, which may require an upgrade to your electrical service panel. It comes with a 7-year warranty in the event of any leaks and a 3-year warranty on parts. Product details: type, electric, indoor dimensions, 14.5 by 4.63 by 16.63 inches, flow rate, up to 7.5 GPM, total BTU, not listed, watts, 36,000. At number 2. Rinnai RXP 160 in Tankless Water Heater. Condensing gas heaters, like this Rinnai option, are more energy efficient and have a higher flow rate than electric models, making them a great choice for family use and large households with several bathrooms. It runs up to 6 fixtures at once, with a flow rate of up to 9 GPM. The heater is Energy Star qualified, meaning it results in fewer emissions in addition to saving more energy. One of its best features is smart technology that tracks water usage and employs the data to provide unlimited hot water on demand at peak efficiency. This feature also helps to save energy and reduce your utility bill during times when you don't need to use as much hot water. The model works with Wi-Fi, so you can control it remotely with your phone or voice commands, but to access these features, you need to purchase a separate module. Product details: type, natural gas, indoor and outdoor dimensions, 9 by 9 inches, flow rate, up to 9 GPM, total BTU, 160,000 watts, not listed. At number 3. Ranein Tankless Water Heater. If you don't have easy access to natural gas, we recommend using a propane model that's specially designed for indoor use. The Ranein provides hot water on demand for 2 or 3 fixtures, with a steady 3.6 GPM flow rate, a sleek exterior, and a compact design. Unlike many propane picks, the Ranein heater is not portable, meaning you can't take it with you on camping trips or van life adventures, but it is a strong choice for a smaller home. It has 4 modes that keep a consistent temperature suited to a variety of purposes, such as dishwashing. As a non-condensing heater, installation is slightly more complex and you'll likely need professional help. But a vent pipe is included in the set, meaning you won't need to run out and buy one. Product details: type, propane, indoor dimensions, 19.09 by 7.67 inches, flow rate, 3.6 GPM, total BTU, 80,000 watts, not listed. At number 4. CAMPLUX 4.22 GPM Tankless Water Heater Gas. About this item: 4.22 GPM gas water heater. It is ideal for compact houses, mobile homes, and apartments. These gas tankless water heaters produce 4.22 GPM of endless hot water on demand for 2 to 3 water points. Temperature control: the CAMPLUX indoor tankless water heater has sophisticated water flow sensors and a smart chip with 1000s calculation, which ensures consistent hot water with variations of only plus or minus 1 degrees Fahrenheit, making bathing enjoyable. Anti-freeze protection with 4 heating modules rated at 100 W total. The CAMPLUX has an anti-freeze feature that kicks in at 39 degrees Fahrenheit in order to prevent the heat exchanger from freezing if the water heater is always powered on. Compact design. When compared to tank water heaters, the CX422 gas tankless water heater conserves almost 200% of the available area than traditional tanks. Upgrade IMD digital display. CAMPLUX CX422 propane water heater tankless features a clear screen for sensitive temperature adjustments between 95 degrees Fahrenheit and 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The power outage memory function ensures you won't have to reset the temperature repeatedly. Energy efficient. Crafted from high-quality oxygen-free copper, the pure copper heat exchanger delivers superior heat transfer and corrosion resistance. It can adjust between 4 heating modes to meet seasonal hot water needs, saving energy costs for you. Easy installation. CAMPLUX CX422 propane water heater complies with national standard and has a UL-approved plug-in 1/2 NPT interfaces for both gas and water. Additional purchase with standard gas regulator and 1/2 inch NPT female to 3/8 inch male adapter to connects 20 pounds propane tank directly. Fits with standard stainless steel 3-inch vent pipe. At number 5. Rheem 18 kilowatts 240V tankless electric water heater. This tankless electric water heater is ideal for mid-range whole home applications. This unit is ideal for single shower applications in the Midwest. The Rheem Performance tankless electric water heaters offer a continuous, endless supply of hot water. A lower kilowatt unit can provide hot water on demand for single or multiple point-of-use applications, while a higher kilowatt unit could provide hot water for a whole house depending on the inlet groundwater temperature. Tankless electric water heaters save space, save energy, save money, and require no venting. The sleek, compact size, 90% smaller than a tank, allows you to save space and place the unit wherever you want, including under a sink. Tankless units only draw energy when hot water is flowing, while traditional tanks are constantly drawing energy to keep the water in the tank at the desired temperature. Rheem's self-modulating technology can save up to 50% on your water heating bill.